Hi, my name is Maria Egervari. I'm a naturopathic doctor. Today I have something very exciting to share with you. Earlier this year I participated in a challenge where I spent 30 minutes for 30 days in a row reconnecting with nature. As we know today, a large percentage of the population lives in large urban centers. This has a tremendous effect on our physical, mental, and emotional health. Reconnecting with nature addresses those issues on several levels. It decreases stress, anxiety, and depression. It increases immunity, increases vitamin D levels. It lowers the risk for heart disease and cancer. I can add that it also increases the fun factor in your life. It certainly did in mine. I'm inviting you for a challenge to spend 15 to 30 minutes for the next 30 days reconnecting with nature. Let me know how it worked for you, what changes it made in your life. I look forward to hearing from you.